Columbia County Chamber of Commerce. Amy speaking. May I help you?
Welcome to the Columbia County Chamber of Commerce. Our mission is to assist our 850 member businesses navigate and succeed in today's ever-changing economy.
My name is Carol Patterson, and I'm the Membership Director at the Columbia County Chamber of Commerce. Chamber membership provides many valuable opportunities for businesses. New members receive free and discounted newspaper, radio, and cable advertising from our media members. Ribbon-cutting ceremonies provide additional promotion for new, expanded, and relocated businesses.
When a business has a need, the Chamber of Commerce is here to help.
Dave, I was looking through the buyer's guide here, and you guys, the Chamber, have been great so far, helping me find cleaners, helping me find plumbers. Now I'd like to reach out to the Chamber to help me find a tenant. The building at 816 Warren Street, we have 4 of the 5 units rented to professionals. The 5th unit on the 3rd floor, I'm thinking it's a 2-bedroom, possibly 3-bedroom. Perhaps we go with a business tenant. I'm thinking maybe one of the businesses local in Hudson or surrounding areas could rent it at a 3, 6, 9, 12-month ratio. You guys think you could help me maybe, I don't know, what do you think you could do? Blast your members, emails? What do I need to do?
Sure, John. I'd be happy to help you out. That's what we do here at the Chamber of Commerce. What we can do for you is to get 3 or 4 sentences, what you want to communicate out to our members. We'll include that in an e-blast. You can include your website, your phone number, and an email in there, and our members will respond.
The Chamber also helps to create new relationships through our many networking events. In fact, just yesterday, a member told me about a relationship he made at one of our events. Through this connection from the Chamber, he ultimately saved over $150,000 in business expenses. I love hearing that kind of feedback.
This vibrant business organization is all about helping business succeed. We help businesses do collectively what is difficult to do alone. Business referrals, networking, seminars, these are just some of the benefits when you join the Columbia County Chamber of Commerce. Our members represent the heart, soul, and backbone of the local economy. Working together makes them even stronger. We love our local businesses. The Columbia County Chamber of Commerce is here for you. When a business has a need, the Chamber of Commerce is here to help. We are good business.